Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video. We are doing a surprise makeover for my mother-in-law, and we're transforming her downstairs storage room into a craft room just for her, an oasis for her, slash spare bedroom for when the grandkids come. And we're using this incredible scrap box behind me.
This empty bedroom in my in-laws' basement has basically been a dumping ground for 12 years. All of my father-in-law's camera equipment gets stored in here, along with just about everything else that doesn't have a home. I decided to empty out the closet and dedicate this just to camera equipment, so the rest of the room can be used as an oasis for my mother-in-law. The first thing I did was wanted to really lighten this basement room by painting the walls an off-white, and it instantly looks so much brighter. Once the room was painted, we hung curtains, brought in a sofa, and now we're assembling the dream box to create an amazing craft room.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Now that this gorgeous thing is built, it's time to fill it up.
This dream box instantly transforms the spare bedroom into a craft room, and it has so much storage. We were able to gather the supplies from all over her house and put them in one place. And this new model has a table that can raise up to table height, which I love. All of these amazing containers come with the scrap box. They're such great quality, and they come with extra dividers for you crickets and bees so you can micro-organize your faces off. The best part is you can close it up when you're not crafting and just have a beautiful clutter-free space to enjoy.
So I totally have to mention, I've seen a lot of videos and I've seen a lot of pictures of this in the past. The scale of it is something that I just didn't realize, and the quality, it's extremely great quality. The plastic is good quality, how the hinges work, everything is really just high-end and excellent. This isn't any dollar store bins going on here, and you can customize it. That's something else that I really appreciate. So you can adjust the shelving and you can adjust all these little compartments. I'm just really impressed, honestly. I want it for my house.
My mother-in-law has always dreamed of a cottage on a lake, and while we couldn't give her that, we could transform her neglected storage room into a beautiful oasis. Not only is it an amazing craft room, but also acts as a spare bedroom. And now it's time for the reveal.
That's amazing. I know.
Look at my... Oh! Look at it! It's so cool! Yeah. Isn't that nice?
That's awesome.
I know. It's totally adjustable.
My crafty mother-in-law is thrilled with her new craft room, and who wouldn't be? But her favorite part, because she's a ladybug, is that when she isn't crafting, she can close it up and it just looks like a beautiful piece of furniture. The rest of her room is gorgeous too, and I am going to do another video, a part 2 video, showing you how I decorated it. This brand new dream box by Scrapbox actually launches today, so I'm going to put a link down below so you can check it out, and a link to new Black Friday deals coming soon.
So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I have another video coming next showing you the decor side of this and how we transformed this room on a shoestring budget with a ton of easy DIY decor projects. So we'll see you then. So hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Can we talk about this box for a second and the fact that I am so jealous? When they first approached me, Scrapbox, I was like, I just don't have space for it. Now that I've seen it, I'm having regrets. I'll put it in my garage, man. I'll put it, we were thinking, as we were building it, we were talking about all the different things it could be used for. Like if you're into cupcakes and baking, you could fill it with baking supplies, you could put it in a garage for tools, you could use it for just like so many things. My brother-in-law's a big golfer and he's like, I could put all my golfy stuff in it and sports memorabilia, and yeah, I mean, I don't think it just has to be used for scrapbooking and crafts. It's pretty much endless. And I want one, but I want to know, what do you think you would use something like this for? Put it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.